6 99 series 21s from DD Audio Supercharged in a 6th order 1-to-1 ratio.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, man, what's your name and what all's in here?
My name's Dan King. I got 6 99 series 21s from DD Audio Supercharged in a 6th order 1-to-1 ratio. I got 3 VOW 12s with CT 45 compression horns behind them in the center console. I got 2 15s in each door, horn, B2 horn. Yeah, 3 M5s, 320 amp hours of Texas.
Wow.
Yingong bank.
Yes, sir. Did you build this?
Yeah. Me and got all my equipment from Cartoons in Fort Myers.
Okay. Have you fine-tuned your port? Are you happy with where it's at right now?
I did some tuning. I'm not really happy. I'm probably gonna try like a port from the bottom. Just let it come up the top.
Yeah, got it.
So to get more loading.
Yes, sir.
But
okay. And have you ever metered it?
No, not metered it. I literally have a meter right there, but I don't really meter it.
Yes, sir. All right. Awesome. Appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Dan.
Dan. Jacob.
Nice meeting you.
Thanks for the info, man.
No problem. It's hot as hell.
It is hot. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.